Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar with Masterspec on branded work sections and work section support. In today's session, we will be covering what is a branded work section and how it differs from a generic work section, how to accurately specify from a branded work section, what additional tools are available to you while specifying from a branded work section, and what is work section support, and how does it assist you while specifying from a branded work section. So let's get right into it. Branded work sections are bespoke work sections covering a specific product or set of products from a specific manufacturer or supplier, written in the industry standard Masterspec format by the highly skilled team of Masterspec technical editors in complete collaboration with the manufacturer. Branded work sections contain rich product data that include details on documentation references, product accessories and warranty information, installation information, and product selection information. This fully integrated specification section is made available to you, the specifier, as you are writing the specification. A branded work section also has the opportunity to carry supporting documentation through MDocs with information on technical performance, installation, maintenance, warranty, and environmental certification as applicable. With a large majority of work sections used by Masterspec specifiers being branded work section, a branded work section is the most accurate way to specify a product on your project with the correct product detail, installation, and ongoing care instructions, along with ensuring that the correct and up-to-date building codes and standards that apply are cited. So let's look at how we would go about selecting a branded work section. The branded work section is selected pretty much the same way as any work section within Masterspec. You will have the option of downloading the work section with Q&A. You can download a full section without running the Q&A. You can also preview the section in a separate window without downloading it into your specification. You have the additional option of reviewing the manufacturer's information as provided by them, and you can go to their website and get more information. But as seen as in this comparison between a generic section and a branded work section covering the same product system, most branded work sections provide more Q&A options and assist you in making a better and more accurate product selection that fit your project requirement. Furthermore, guidance notes are written in conjunction with the manufacturer and contain product and selection information in greater detail, outlining options available to you. As with all guidance note, these can also be added to your selection simply through drag and drop. As mentioned before, document manufacturers have the opportunity to preload documents relevant to their product against work section, and you can attach this by a single click. So to attach a document to your spec, simply select the document that you want to attach, select the applicable criteria, enter any additional notes if you need to, and then click Save. If you need to request further documentation from the manufacturer, you can do so from the button at the bottom and by providing appropriate information to the manufacturer, and then click Submit. Once you are done attaching the documentation, click Finish at the bottom. The branded work section also will bring up the manufacturer's relevant and related products listings from My Products, which is New Zealand's national product database. This further enables you to access product information and do your product research from within the Masterspec toolset. You can also access additional information from the manufacturer and contact the manufacturer if you need to. For a more project-specific work query and for more in-depth support from the manufacturer, you can also contact the manufacturer from within your work section using the work section support functionality. Work section support enables you to receive personalized and specific support from the manufacturer and you can decide on the level of support you want from them. You can either request for them to replace your entire work section for you, edit the clause of work section, or simply comment on the work section that you have written. Now, to initiate a work section request, simply hover over the manufacturer's logo at the top and click the work section support button. Select the level of support that you require and provide further project information that would assist the manufacturer in providing more accurate support. Select the appropriate request location, and then you can click submit. Once you click submit, there is also additional functionality. A contact request will be sent to the manufacturer, and a chat window also pops up, which allows you to have a live chat with the manufacturer, maybe exchange quick communications, or even exchange basic documents if you need to. Now, once you select submit, the manufacturer will receive a notification that a work section support has been requested, and they can start a response from their end. On the left, as you can see, they have more information, and they can start the response. Now, the great thing is that the support is delivered within the Masterspec system, and all your work is saved within the system. The manufacturer will provide support where you need it. They can make changes as requested by you without changing the rest of your specification, which means they don't access anything else. They can look at what you need, and they can provide support accordingly. If they need to request further information, they can do that as well. The good thing is that they don't need to send you any additional documents or a separate spec written by them, which might lead to potential loss of information or incorrect information that does not meet the project brief. The chat functionality is also available to the manufacturer. So if they need to send you any query, then they can do so as well. Now, when they have completed your information, completed the response, they can set it as answered, and they can send the response back to you. Now, once this is done from their end, on your side, you will receive, on the specifier side, you will receive a notification, as you can see here on the left side, that a work section support request has been done. You will also see a notification come up in your window here at the top as well. Now, once you have received the response, you simply jump into your work section, and you can look at the changes that they have done through a side-by-side comparison. Now, applying the changes to your specification is completely under your control, and you can apply each change individually or accept all the changes that they have done. Should you require further support, you can request this as well by making a new request. Worksection support allows you to keep all the information exchanged within the spec system. And as I mentioned before, it eliminates loss of any information. It also keeps a track of the contact history. So you know that when was it made. You can also make a new request through the same menu. We strongly recommend using Worksection support to receive the best possible personalized service from the manufacturer for your specification and make the most of your Masterspec system. So that concludes our session today, and we are happy to take your questions. Now, do remember that you can always send your questions to us at a later stage at jen@masterspec.co.nz. The video recording of this webinar will be available at a later stage from either our website or from the YouTube channel. To view the video, you can go to masterspec.co.nz, and from the training menu, you can look at webinar, and then you can look at the video recording. You can also book our upcoming webinars from this menu. I see that we have a question. So the question that I have received here is that what if our supplier does not use work section support? So providing work section support is up to the supplier. So in case if they do not provide work section support through Masterspec, you can contact them through traditional channels. So you can either call their office or call your local representative. You can find the contact details of the company from your My Product section, and that's the way you can get in touch with them with getting help for writing work sections on Masterspec. So do keep an eye on our LinkedIn and our website for future webinars, and we hope to see you all then. Thank you all again, and have a good day.